Welcome to the Neuro-Sports Vision and Vestibular Training for Home Use. There'll be a series of presentations and summaries as you see, and these summaries will be presented at the end.
Hi, so I'm Nick and I'm going to run through a couple of very simple, straightforward at home or travel-based vision exercises and how we integrate not only vision but balance into a little bit of a program over the course of 3 to 4 weeks. I'm going to do so with really simple, straightforward pieces of equipment that you might have. A pen in this case, the first test is just pen, but then little post-it notes and a door frame can be used really just to build up vision. And finally, if you have a little balance ball, that's great as well. But let's start with the first of these tests. The first training method is actually using a pen. In this case, it's got a little emblem here that helps with the fixation. I want you to keep your head nice and steady and just increase the movement of the pen in a spiral fashion. In this case, it's going vertically, keeping track over the full extension of your movements. Do this in a vertical, then horizontal. As you come through the horizontal, you'll find as the pen goes across in front of the nose and the nose starts to block it out, you may feel a little bit of a jump. That's fine. But make sure that you're not developing any nausea, headaches or dizziness during this. If you find that you're getting any of those symptoms, I want you to reduce either the amplitude or reduce the speed. But as time goes on, I'd like you to increase the amplitude to the full range of your motions, so within the visual field, but also increase the speed of your vision tracking. All sounds simple and straightforward, and it is. But then I'd like you to also reorientate yourself, do the same test, but this time just on one leg. Initially on the other leg, the contralateral leg, I want you to touch your toe on the ground, bend your knee that you're standing on, and then just run through this in a vertical. You'll find that to be simple and straightforward, but as we go into the diagonals and the horizontal, you may find it a little bit more difficult or causing those symptoms of doubling vision, dizziness, headaches or nausea. If you're getting any of those, reduce the amplitude, reduce the speed, or just contact me. Just contact nick-at me.com or give me a phone call, WhatsApp on 07730 645 924, and we'll run through a way in which we can adapt the tests. So a simple and straightforward test, increasing that spiral, increasing the speed, and orientating the balance associated with the vision. Composing both vision and the vestibular system together will help your balance and improves things such as gait and awareness, peripheral awareness. So that's the end of the first training session, and we'll build this up over the course of a couple of weeks, but I want you just to undertake this training for the course of the first 3 to 5 days.
That completes the first of a series of 6 different vision and vestibular training exercises for home use in advance of any sporting activity, and will build up over the course of the approved schedule that can be obtained online at neuro-sports.com or email nick-at me.com. Thank you.